the reasons why we're so confident that the US consumer is going to be able to prevent this country from falling into recession is because we're in much better financial footing than we were in the pre-recession period of 2006 and 2007. When you look at this chart, I'll call your attention to the line on the bottom that shows that on average, our personal savings, which represents all the money that we had in checking and savings accounts, was about $250 billion before the recession. As a result of the severe psychological drama that we all suffered during the global financial crisis, our savings rate shot up. In fact, by 2012, the personal savings of the US population was about $1 trillion. However, since then, it's come down a little bit, especially in that 2013, early 2014 timeframe, but it has stabilized at a much higher level. Right now, it sits at $692.9 billion, which means that we are all much better served by being able to deal with an unexpected expense, such as a medical emergency or a repair to our home or our car. We're in much better financial footing. We also have a much better ability to deal with our outstanding debt. You can see in this chart that the loan delinquency and the credit card delinquency rate of the US consumer has dropped significantly over the last few years and now sits much below the 10-year average relative to its historic performance, which means that we are now in much better control of our debts, whether that's loans or credit cards, and that's going to allow us to continue spending our way and keep this country out of the recession.